Hi, this is Mike Wynn from Saunafin. I'm going to demonstrate the operation of the Tylo Sense Combi Pure Sauna Heater. That is the Sense Combi using the Pure control. First step with the Tylo heaters is to turn on the system switch, which basically turns on the sauna heater and will turn on the accompanying control. You will notice when the control first goes on, these scrolling lights at the top. That is essentially the heater control booting up and syncing to the circuit board in the heater itself. Once those lights stop scrolling, the control is ready to use. That was pretty fast. It often takes a little longer on the first time use. Icons on the bottom, that's the on-off, the top right. This icon on the bottom left is the temperature. Next to that is the delayed start feature. Next to that is the time duration. And the last icon is for humidity. To turn the sauna on, first step is to push the on-off button. The green light indicates the heater is on. Top left is the light switch. It goes on automatically when the control goes on. For the control to operate your sauna light, you would have to run a separate 120 volt circuit to the heater circuit board and from there to the light fixture, in which case the sauna control will control your light. However, most people choose to install a separate light switch and light circuit. So the sauna is on. It will default to the last setting. In this case, we're going to set it to operate maximum steam. So temperature will set to minimum, and we'll set steam to maximum. And you will note that the steam reservoir begins almost instantly. Depends how much water is in the reservoir. In the reservoir section, you will boil the water, and you may have one or two elements on as well, not all the elements in steam mode. It takes about 7 to 8 minutes to get enough steam to feel the full effect. When the sauna is in steam mode and you wait the full hour, it goes off by itself, or if you short cycle the off switch by turning it off once, you will see the flashing green button. That indicates that the steam function is turned off and the sauna is in the self-drying cycle, where the heater goes on for 20 minutes and bakes the room dry. The self-drying cycle indicator only shows when the icon is on the temperature. It will not show when it's on a different setting point. Okay. Now, to run the sauna in high heat mode as opposed to steam, you would then turn it on and maximize the temperature setting to 10, 9, 8, whatever you prefer that, and then set the steam at whatever setting you wish to have it at. Essentially, the control and the heater apportion heat and steam. So in max temperature and minimum humidity, sauna will go to maximum, which is 194 Fahrenheit or 90 Celsius. If the control is set in between those numbers, it will apportion accordingly. So that if you have, say, humidity at 5 and temperature at 9 or 10, it will heat first for a time and then the steam will kick in. And it will apportion it on those scales. There's a scale in the manual that tells you how it apportions it, but you can sort of play around and find your preferred set point. Now to show you the late start feature. So from the off position, scroll to the time clock. Push the time setting you want, or time delay, say 5 hours, and then push the on button. And you'll see the time clock icon lights up and the 5 is flashing. The Sauna will go on to the preset settings in 5 hours time. If you push the off, you can short cycle that and turn off that feature. The last icon in the middle there is the time duration, and basically it's just how long the sauna will run for when you turn it on. Mostly that to default to the standard 1 hour. And that is the Tylo Pure Control, brought to you by Saunafin. Thank you.